Hi, Jim Berthold from OLI Systems here with another video. Recently, a customer inquired about whether OLI calculates viscosity or not. It's actually a property we do calculate because it's a post-calculation calculation. It tends to add some overhead. So we have these things turned off by default. So just to give you an idea of what we're doing here, we've just created a very simple mixer stream. We have S1, which is a stream that is mostly water and sodium chloride, S2, which is a stream that is all methanol. Here is the chemistry model. It's a MSE model, and it's been created with just 3 components, just for simplicity. We're going to go ahead and run this calculation. It runs very quickly. And we'll take a look at stream S3, and we'll go into the report. I've already pre-selected it, and we'll go through all the properties. So this is the mixed temperature of it. There apparently is some heat of reaction going on here. We're going to go down to the thermodynamic properties, this section here. And if you look as hard as you can, you're going to see that viscosity does not appear in this list. It is a property we do calculate. But where is it? We can try customize, which brings up all the possible things we can add, and it's not there either. That's because we haven't calculated it. To actually calculate it, we go back to the flow sheet, click anywhere off the process, and we have this tab called Optional Properties. If you select it, you'll see that we have these properties. They take a little bit longer to calculate, so we don't turn them on by default. You can see we have viscosity here. You can just click to enable it. If you wanted some other properties such as thermal conductivity, surface tension, and so forth, you can turn them on. We can also have some pre-screening of scaling tendencies, whether we want dissolved solids to be turned on, whether we want to calculate alkalinity or the pH at 25 degrees 1 atmosphere. These are all post-processing calculations, and they do add some overhead. So for just today's example, we're just going to turn on viscosity. We'll click the back button to get off of that. And unfortunately, since it is a post-processing calculation, we require the program to be recalculated. So I'll go ahead and do that. Once again, we'll go to our S3 stream, and we'll go to report, and we'll go back down to those thermodynamic properties, and you can see that we have viscosity as an absolute value reported here in centipoise. So that's how you add these extra calculations. We're going to add features in the future where we can turn it on for a specific stream, so we're not adding undue overhead to the calculation. But right now, that's the only option you have. If you wanted to have a relative viscosity here, you would just create a separate stream of pure water at the temperature and pressure you wanted, and you can do the calculation manually. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please email us at oli.support@olisystems.com, or our portal, which is available on our website at www.olisystems.com. Thank you.